Hi, in this video I'd like to cover expungements using find and replace to replace names in narratives. So here I have a report that I'm ready to select, and I will click the expunge button to begin the expungement process. I'm presented with the option to expunge names from the narrative list or to edit the narratives as I prefer. There is a find and replace feature here. But now that I've highlighted something in the narrative, I'm only going to use the direction down, as you can tell there. So if you look here and I type in something to replace the last name with, and it's only going down from where it was highlighted. So if you look there, you'll notice that the first instance of Sherborne was not selected because I had already had something highlighted in the narrative. I can go back up, hit replace all, and now everything is replaced. So that's the first pitfall I want you to avoid when using this process. The next one is I didn't save, and I have to hit that apply button in order to get that save to take effect. If you'll notice, I clicked on another narrative, go back and forth, I'm back to the drawing board. I'm going to hit replace all again, and this time I'm not going to hit cancel because that's also going to cancel the save, but I'm going to hit apply. You must remember to hit apply after each narrative that you want to expunge with. So once again, I must hit apply in order to save the changes. I go here and then back. My changes were not saved. So let's do this all again. I'll replace all. Everything's good. I hit apply and it tells me the initial narrative saved, update was successful. Okay, now it's good to go. I can go back and forth to this one as many times. All right, so if I want to do these others, I must click apply each time. This is a pitfall a lot of people run into. If you go back and forth and try to do these all at once, you'll notice that only the last one you did appears to have worked. So I'm going to hit apply on this one. I get the acknowledgement. Once again. And now we'll exit and open this. And let's go check our work. Redacted has replaced the last name in all of these in the narrative body. Now I did this on purpose in the subject line. I wanted to show you that if by chance you put the subject's name in there, that it's not going to redact that. You're going to have to make sure to pay attention and not put the expunged person's name in the subject, or you're going to have to just make sure it's not in there. Now this will show up as a red X to you because you have the ability to make the expungements, but to everybody else this is going to show up as a list of X's, and they will not be able to see any of this information on that line, or if they look at the report they will not get this person's information.